Here are some effective ways to save money. First, create a monthly budget. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify where you're overspending. Second, cut unnecessary expenses. So instead of dining out, try cooking at home more often. Third, take advantage of discounts and offers. Shop during sales so you can get the best deals, which can lead to significant savings, all right? Fourth, consider canceling unused subscriptions. You may have multiple subscriptions that you don't use regularly, so eliminating them can save you money. All right? Fifth, open a separate savings account. Allocate a portion of your income to this account, making it less accessible for everyday spending. All right? Additionally, try to buy items off season. Purchasing goods during sales or at times where demand is low, it'll help you save. Now, by following these tips, you can effectively manage your finances, save money, and build a secure fund for the future. If you have any comments, anything to help anybody, leave it in there.